Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Merrill Edge accounts and settings, full guide step by step clearly. To set up your Merrill Edge account, start by visiting the Merrill Edge website. Click on the Enroll button, usually found on the home page. You'll be prompted to provide your personal information. Enter your first and last name as it appears on your identification. Next, input your social security number for identity verification. Provide your date of birth to confirm your eligibility. Now, enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password meets the required criteria for security. After that, review the terms and conditions. You will need to agree to these terms in order to proceed. Once you have completed that step, click on Continue. The next screen will ask for your address information. Fill in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Then, include your phone number for account recovery purposes. You may also need to answer security questions for added protection. Select and answer your preferred security questions now. After completing this, click on Continue to move to the next step. At this point, you will be prompted to fund your account. Decide if you want to link an external bank account for transfers. Provide the bank details required for linking, if applicable. You can also choose to fund your account via check or wire transfer. After selecting your funding method, confirm the amount you wish to deposit. Next, proceed to choose your account type. Select from options like individual, joint, or retirement accounts. Once you've chosen your account type, review your application summary. Check all entered information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, submit your application to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is successfully set up. After receiving confirmation, log in to your new Merrill Edge account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.